Dr. Doug Weiss shares steps you can take to get past trauma and betrayal in your relationships. That's next.
What are some of the things that for people watching to kind of, if you will, bulletproof your marriage so that you don't have to go through some of this?
Well, you want to inoculate your marriage anyway, because we want marriage that pleased Jesus, okay? And to do that, you want to pray together every day. You want to share feelings. We've talked about this on other shows. Share your feelings every day. Praise each other. Say, you're awesome. I love this about you every day.
Yeah.
You know, my wife Lisa's here today, and we do this. We'll do it tonight. We did it last night. We'll do it the night after that. And we've been doing it for over 30 years.
That's what I've been doing to my sweetheart, too.
Yeah.
My Joni's been doing great.
Yeah. Make sure you go on dates.
But when he prays with me, that just makes me feel so secure at night.
When he what?
When he prays with me.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. Because you can hear his heart.
Yeah.
You
So
hear his
I
heart.
pray with her, but I also praise her.
Yes, you do. You've
Every
always
day.
done that, though.
Yeah.
You've always done that.
Yeah, and so that is the kind of stuff. Make sure you're dating, make sure sex is regularly consistent, and make sure your finances have some kind of order and agreement. You know, those are the basic things of marriage to make it nice and healthy, and it makes you want to protect that.
It's time to pray. Joni, you have one more comment.
No, I was just going to say quickly, you had the neatest dream the other day where me and you were in school.
Going back to school.
We're going back to school,
Yeah.
and it was kind of a neat little dream, but it was kind of the Lord showing us that He's still teaching us
Oh,
things.
absolutely.
I know you and your wife are still learning things every
Absolutely.
day.
Yeah,
That's
it's
important.
wonderful.
Dr. Weiss, his
Amen.
book, there it is, Partner Betrayal Trauma. There's the website.